Hi, my name's Paul. I'm one of the directors here at In-Company Training Services. In-Company Training Services was started over 5 years ago. What we're really good at is working closely with our clients and developing tailored in-house courses to meet their training needs. The nice thing about running your own business is that you can run it the way you like it. A lot of in-company training providers are large companies that are really just a broker, putting you in touch with a trainer. We aren't like that. We work closely with our clients to make sure that they get the course they need. We also have a very close relationship with our trainers. That means we have a good idea of which trainer will suit which organisation. The reason that Darren is so successful is that he loves his subject and is a genuine expert on it, but he has a way of explaining it that is very down to earth and practical. The training is run just for your organisation. You aren't stuck in a public seminar with lots of competing delegates who have different needs and challenges. You have the trainer to yourself. Employment law is a constantly moving target. We have clients who ask Darren to do an employment law update for them every 6 months, and there's always plenty of new material to get to grips with. Since all of our courses are designed specifically for the client, we always try to meet the client first, talk about what they need and how we can help them. It gives them a chance to meet the trainer before they sign up and make sure they feel comfortable with our approach. Here at In-Company Training Services, we help our clients build their internal expertise so that they are better equipped to deal with problems when they arise. We don't replace the need for legal advice, but we can help you manage your lawyers more effectively. Our training is basically about the world of work. That may include health and safety or management skills such as having difficult conversations, dealing with appraisals, that sort of thing. However, it's fair to say that our most popular topic is employment law. That's where Darren comes in.
It's true, employment law changes much more quickly than other areas of law do. And that's partly political, that's partly to do with these guys behind us. Because every new government wants to reset the balance between employers and employees, and they'll have their own ideas about how to do that. But to be honest, it's not really the Acts of Parliament, it's not the regulations that make employment law such a fast-moving subject. The key thing is the case law. That's what you've got to keep on top of. And that case law is coming out all the time and is always changing. Well, yes, the Supreme Court's important, but it's not really where the action is. Yes, now the Court of Appeal. This is very important for employment law, and we have to keep a close eye on it. We get lots of really important decisions. But you know, even the Court of Appeal isn't where the real legwork is done in employment law. For that, we have to go just a bit further down the street. It's not a very impressive building, is it? But don't be fooled, what happens here is actually really important. This is the Employment Appeal Tribunal. It's the real power engine of employment law, and it produces hundreds of decisions every year that are directly relevant to people who need to get their employment law right. Not all of them are important. The key thing is to be able to sift what's trivial from what really matters and distill that and present it in a way that's going to be relevant and engaging for people. And that's my job. And if it all goes wrong, you end up somewhere like here. This is Victory House. It's the Central London Employment Tribunal. And it's here that thousands of employers are taken every year when people are complaining of unfair dismissal or discrimination. But you know, the key thing is not to stay away from a building like this, because in a sense you can't control it. What you can control is whether you're going to win the case or not, whether you're going to manage your risk effectively and still get your business aims achieved. And hopefully that's what employment law training will help you to do.
Well, there we are. If you're interested in what we do and want to get in contact, please call me, Paul Gonzowski, on these numbers or email me.